What's up, everybody? We are back with What Is This Machine? And this one is a little bit different than the others. See, it isn't just one machine, it's a custom automation systems built by Ditanu Robotics. These large V-shaped fixtures are designed to position, center, and hold the workpiece. They can be adjusted for different sizes, allowing the workpiece to be held in one position for a repeatable process. Over here is the guarded work area. This safety fence keeps the operator away from moving components, while this HMI is used to control and monitor the system. We don't know the original purpose for this machine. However, we can tell that it was used to position something, some sort of a workpiece in there, and to have some sort of a process repeated over and over while that piece is held there. But equipment like this can possibly be retooled or reintegrated into another automated process. What are the types of companies that could possibly use a machine like this? A fabricator, an automotive supplier, a tube or pipe manufacturer, or other production facilities could potentially adapt a system like this for material handling, positioning, assembly, inspection, or another repetitive operation. So with a machine like this, the question isn't what did it used to make, the question is what can you automate with it? If you want more information, find it on HGR24.com.